what's going on, everybody? So you got windmills, eh? What's next? No hand windmills? Make sure you hit that bell for notifications. If you like the video, smash that like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to the channel, Air Max TV. What's going on, everybody? Today we got windmills without hands, also known as no hand windmills. So in order to do these, you want to have windmills already. So I mean, that should be a given. Once you have windmills, you know how to use your legs, and that's going to be a key factor here in succeeding. So you're just going to swing into it just like you normally would, and you're going to collapse right onto your shoulder and then to your back, just like you normally would for a windmill. The only difference here that instead of pushing off using our arms, we're no hands. So we're not going to be able to use our hands. So no-handed, you can either keep them here or there, however you want to keep them, that's fine. But you can't push off your hands. So there's more than one way to do this. The way I'm going to show you guys is using your head or the top of your head. So once you roll to your shoulder, to your back, instead of pushing off with your hands, you're going to roll to the top part of your head and you're going to just lightly push. Now, in order for this to work, you have to keep your legs wide open. So you're not really slamming your head into the ground. You're just rolling and just using the top of your head just to give it a little push, just to make it back around, back to your shoulder, back to your back, and then same thing again. So in order for this to work, you gotta keep your legs wide apart. So as long as your legs are wide apart, you're gonna continue. So instead of pushing with your arms, roll it through, collapse on the shoulder, back to the back, same thing, give it a little roll to the top of your head, maybe even a little push off, and then as long as your legs are wide, you're gonna still be able to continue. We're gonna add one final feature. So legs wide open, once you're kind of getting the hang of the swing, instead of pushing off your hands, right? And instead of just rolling off the top of your head, you're gonna give it a little bit of a push. So just a light push, and that's going to allow you to go a little faster too without slowing down. So you go to your head, and it's just a little push, and that allows you to go right back to your shoulder very quickly. So that's how you're going to gain speed, and you're just undercutting. You're using your head just to get you back to your shoulder, back to your back, and then back to your head again. So as long as your legs are wide open and just kind of keeping them open and following through with the circular motion, you should be able to do this continuous. With good timing and a little practice, you should start to get the hang of these. Once you get the hang of these, the possibilities where you can go from here are endless. There's so many variations that you can do once you have those no-handed windmills. You can even come up with your own variation, show them off. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video, show somebody what you learned, show off those moves and try to elevate it from there, come up with your own variation, show me, I'd love to see what you got, and just practice, make it better, improve upon it, and you can just always build off of that. Now that you got no hands, what you do with it is up to you. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy.